Hello, it's Ernest from theprofitroom.com. Hey, put together a quick video for you guys to see how to profit and make money when the crypto market starts to go lower. Yes, Bitcoin, Ethereum, right? At the Profit Room, we focus on technical analysis and technical trading. That's the art of reading charts and anticipating where the price can go based off of previous price action and also movements in the market. So I had to help with this video. One of our team members, Money Making Mia, she's going to explain what she does based off of technical analysis to help her not hold the bag when the crypto market is going lower, but also make money, right, when the crypto market is going lower. You guys are going to really enjoy this video. See you on the other side. Hello, everyone. Hello, my name is Ernest, co-founder of theprofitroom.com. I'm here with Mia, and like we mentioned in the intro, today we're going to talk about how you can still make money, right, when the crypto market goes down. This is going to be a great video. One of our team members here, Mia, she trades crypto on a regular basis. And many of you may know this, many may not, but it's great for you to know because of the Profit Room. We do a lot of shorting. That means like we make money when the market goes lower. And even though you can short a lot of cryptocurrencies, there's a way that you can also invest and buy and trade in some of these coins when the market goes lower. So, Mia, how you doing today?
I'm doing good. How's it going, Ernest?
I'm hanging in there. I'm hanging in there. So, what chart are we looking at right now? What is this chart?
I've got the Ethereum to USD pair up right now.
Mm-hmm. In Ethereum, many of us own Ethereum. A lot of us do in Bitcoin. So, what do we notice that's been happening in Ethereum?
And in case you hadn't been watching the news or you happen to own it, you probably are seeing that it's been pretty much tanking over the last 3 days or so.
Correct. Going lower and lower and lower and lower. So a lot of us who may own Ethereum may feel like, hey, I'm in it for the long haul, right? But at the same time, we may be more active traders, right? We may be people that are looking to make short-term income trading Ethereum or who may not just want to have this ride. So what is an alternative for people that we can look at here today to see once Ethereum goes lower that we can still get in something that goes higher? Can you show us that chart?
Absolutely. So I can definitely show you um, the comparison between the two. So this is Ethereum, but I'm actually going to pull up the Ethereum chart side by side with what is actually an inverse coin for Ethereum. It's basically leveraged to go the opposite direction that Ethereum is going at any particular point in time.
Okay, okay. So can you show us where when Ethereum started to go down lower, where this one started to go higher?
Sure, absolutely. So if you look back on January the 20th, you'll see that it's kind of moving along, inching up. And then when it hit about 11 o'clock on the 20th, it started to go down. Now, at this point, I didn't take any action. I'm just kind of watching it, but I did get an alert once it went down a certain percentage. So at that point, now I'm looking at whether or not I want to take this ride or whether or not I prefer to actually not ride out the retracement. Being a day trader, I tend to typically avoid the retracements. Once I see that I'm definitely going into significant retracement here, I look at the alternative altcoin. So let's look at the time frame here. That was 11 o'clock on the 20th. If I roll over here to the alternative coin and I look at January the 20th at 11, you'll see that this first candle starts turning red and it starts moving up. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So the next few hours, it's starting to move up. as you'll see over here, Ethereum is moving down. Okay, and this pattern continues. So as Ethereum continued to decline, and I actually stayed in this trade until about right here. I think I actually took it down to about 2,300.
So you mean you stayed in that trade?
Or
That means
I got back into Ethereum at about 2,300.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah, so basically I got out of Ethereum and I actually bought into the altcoin, okay, from
So
about
explain what the altcoin did once you got in.
So once I got into the altcoin, you'll see it starts to actually go up as Ethereum is declining. It has almost an exact inverse relationship. So remember I said basically double bottomed here, right at almost 2,300. So I had some idea of where my entry point would be, okay? But I allowed it to trend up because remember, I'm still over here making money, okay? I'm still well into the green over here on the altcoin side, okay? So basically when I felt like I wanted to buy the dip, at that point I sold the altcoin and then bought back into Ethereum at the low.
Okay, great. So the altcoin is just helping you, as you're not in Ethereum at this particular time, still be able to make some type of income or some type of profits while the currency is going lower.
Exactly. And it's even better than just riding it out or dollar cost averaging, because as you can see, this coin actually went up almost 90% while I was holding it over this time period.
Wow.
So even just holding Ethereum, if I go back for a few days, you can see I'm not making that type of return, even just holding it, really.
Wow, correct, because it's trending lower.
Exactly.
Gotcha. And there's a lot of these altcoins as that's available that's an inverse, right?
Yeah, so I'm gonna pop over here. I use KuCoin to trade these.
Okay.
Are you able to see that KuCoin?
Yeah, I can see the KuCoin, correct.
Okay. So you'll see that I've got the alternate coin or the alternate coin for Ethereum here. There's also an alternate coin for Bitcoin. Thanks for the shout out, Ernest, because you know I don't typically trade Bitcoin, but I don't have a problem with jumping into the altcoin.
The altcoin looks very nice.
Exactly. And sand is another that I trade as well. So it has an all, but there's several others that I don't have because I don't have the primary coin to actually be protecting my investment.
Correct. Gotcha.
So these are the three that I primarily trade.
And you probably don't need that much anyway, because if a lot of people are just focusing on some of the heavy hitters like Ethereum and Bitcoin, right, while they're out of it, they can be in one or two of these, right?
Exactly.
You know, just to maintain some form of position, you know, or a hedge, because this is what hedge funds do as well, right? So if they don't short it, they can just get in something like this and ride out the wave until it changes over.
Absolutely. Instead of just holding your money in a cash position, why not make some money to actually buy even more of the dip when you decide to buy back in?
Correct. Can we go back to that trading view chart one more time with the comparison?
Sure.
So this is important because of the skill of technical analysis. You know, one of the major things I know with crypto and even in the stock market, the futures market, there's a lot of rumors. People say this is going to happen, that's going to happen. What is the primary reason? And you can emphasize it again because you were showing us why you got out of Ethereum and why you got into this altcoin. So the audience should know, what did you primarily take the trade based off of? News, what?
Oh no, definitely not news. So especially with Bitcoin, you're gonna always hear chatter when it comes to crypto coins, but that doesn't necessarily show itself on a chart. So I'm gonna trade what I see on the chart. So I use this same methodology when I'm day trading, but basically what I'm looking for is I'm looking for demonstrated weakness in the price action. When I saw that the coin dipped below, confirms what I already believed about the price declining. That's when I decided to at least move out of the coin until it showed strength again. And I started looking at the altcoin.
Correct. So you traded what you saw and not what somebody chatted about.
Exactly. If you learn the skill of actually reading a chart, you can do this with any instrument.
Correct, correct. So we thank you so much, Mia. We really do appreciate that. Like, we just wanted to have a quick video because a lot of our viewers and subscribers, they trade multiple markets, and we get a lot of people who actively trade the crypto market. And one of the powers that people can possess is this power that you have now, because now once we see it and you explain it to us, we can make a solid decision based upon, our own personal risk management, our own personal goals, and we don't have to sit in a losing trade. There's always an alternative. Even though we may personally feel something about the future, about this, or believe in a certain, coin, a certain movement, we always got to consider our own financial goals and, what we want out of trading. So we thank you so much for giving us that time and breaking that down. So like I said, everybody, don't forget to subscribe to theprofitroom.com if you want to learn the skills about technical analysis, you want to learn more about information like this, get on our subscribe and mailing list. And as we say in the Profit Room, always get educated, apply what you know, and you will get the success. Talk to you soon.